In a tragic incident, two workers who were engaged in sewage household connection work died after they fell inside a manhole near Lamphel, Kombirei, Keithel at Uripok Rims Road. According to police report, at around 10:08 p.m. last night, Manipur Fire Services received a call about the incident. The rescue team managed to pull out the unconscious man from the manhole, and they were taken to Rims. But they reportedly died in the hospital while undergoing treatment. The victims are identified as Salam Kundagi Nahakpam Aboy, age 36, son of N. Komay from Salam in Imphal West District, and Thangjam Inauba, age 36, son of T.H. Silungba from Haibong Pokpi.